So let's go in through the hospital side this time. So I was just here on Monday morning, and the walls still had the steel beams delineating all of the rooms, but none of the drywall was up. And then I came over the next day in the afternoon and look, it's just, I can't believe how fast they work. So all of the walls are in. Let's go down the corridor. So we are now facing surgery and prep, and the following room is the cat ward. All of the drywall is going in. We had to finalize all of the electrical needs. Pony wall is going in. Now entering the adoption center, the adoption center reception area. Gosh, this is amazing. Look at this. Our quadrant of 4 glass kitty condos is being framed in. How amazing is that? And then over here, of course, is the first of 2 kitty cities, where we will have kitty condos here and an interaction room where you can have some private time with your feline friend. Kitty City 2 over here, our dental suite, and next to it is the retail area. Fantastic. Here's where you can see some sort of progress on what's happening concurrently with the framing in. So again, the puppy interaction area being framed in, and just as with the kitty city areas, there's a common area where several litters of puppies can interact, several dogs, and then a private interaction room for you to get to know your new best friends. And the indoor-outdoor runs are being framed in. How exciting. But check it out. We still have so much work that's going in up top. So the ducts are being wrapped with insulation now. That's pretty exciting. And the cables are being bunched to sort of form this cable superhighway. Pretty neat. Dry goods storage. Adoption center laundry. Wow, pretty cool. All of the doors are installed. This is super. So now you get a feel for how large the rooms are going to be. So this is quarantine 2. Our air duct over there. Quarantine 1. So much room. Fantastic. Personally, I am super stoked for our conference center, learning center. Wow, it's cavernous. So we envisioned an extra long oblong table here for social distancing. And of course, all of our AV needs ceiling installed and wall mounted. And we can do so much in here to facilitate learning, have birthday parties, conduct workshops, lunch and learns, you name it. So large to accommodate several people. So that's what's going on at the Humane Society this week. And if you haven't joined us yet for a Bark and Brew, boy, you missed a good time. The party's over. Everybody's gone home. But you know what? The party's soon beginning for the new shelter. We are scheduled to open for our first business transaction on Friday, August 13th. And we will have a ribbon cutting in partnership with the Athens Area Chamber of Commerce on Thursday, August 12th from 5 to 7. You'll all get an invite. Hang on to your hats, folks. We're cooking gas. Have a great day.